I hope that everybody is able to see it. So first topic is the Future Skills Prime. This is a government initiative, okay, Future Skills Prime. So we'll see what is this Future Skills Prime that was in news. So this is a new version of Future Skills. Earlier, this scheme was initiated Future Skills. Now the scheme has been updated in the form of Future Skills Prime. So you'll see what is Future Skills first of all. So Future Skills, it is a new age platform to bridge the industry academia skill gap and help students keep pace with the emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, big data, cloud computing, cyber security, and Internet of Things to make future ready. If you remember, we have discussed one reskilling initiative that was started by the World Economic Forum. We have already discussed कर चुके हैं. When I talked that this initiative was launched because technology is changing, okay, and that is why World Economic Forum has started new initiative to provide the reskilling to employees so that they could not be unemployed because of the change of technology. Okay, so ये हम लोग already कर चुके हैं. World Economic Forum ने एक initiative start किया था world over, okay, and एक नई index भी start की है उसी के लिए, okay. But this Future Skills initiative has been started in India only. ये इंडिया में start हुआ first of all, okay. हमारी गवर्नमेंट ने स्टार्ट किया है विद द हेल्प ऑफ द प्राइवेट इंडिविजुअल प्राइवेट कॉर्पोरेशंस. हमारा टारगेट वही है कि जो टेक्नोलॉजी चेंज हो रही है जिसके कारण अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेट हो रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ चेंज ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी. बिकॉज ऑफ चेंज ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी द वर्कर्स कुड not able to this take these new jobs, okay, because of change of technology. So like artificial intelligence, big data, cloud computing, cyber security, and Internet of Things. Okay, and that is why we are focusing on the reskilling of individuals. Obviously, the government taking the help of the private sector. So, Future Skills Prime, this new initiative that has been Future Skills Prime, the new version of Future Skills, or next phase of Future Skills, was launched in 2018. It was launched in 2018. This expanded digital platform would be called Future Skills Prime, and Prime stands for Program for Reskilling or Upskilling of IT Manpower for Employability. Although it's mentioned here that it is for IT manpower, but in under this Future Skills Prime, it goes gone beyond the IT industry. Okay, now it is open to professionals from outside the IT industry as well. Okay, so ये याद रखना कि यदि एग्जाम में स्टेटमेंट आती है that this Future Skills Prime initiative is for IT industry, that IT industry only. If that statement comes, then that statement will be wrong. Because Future Skills program is not only for IT industry, but it is open now for other industries also. Okay, so एक बात ये याद रखनी है आप लोगों को. And उसके अलावा जो बात एक और याद रखनी है आप लोगों को, say it is a joint venture program. It's not a government or not only government program, but it's a joint venture program between the Ministry of Electronics. इस मिनिस्ट्री का नाम याद रखना है आप लोगों को, Ministry of Electronics and IT, Ministry of Electronics and IT with National Association of Software and Services Company, that means NASSCOM. So these two bodies making the joint venture. This is a private organization. It's a this aggregation of the private companies that are related to the software and services. Okay, so these two institutions making a joint venture to provide the reskilling program. Okay, to initiate the reskilling program, that is a Future Skills Prime. And they want to skill around this much of professionals, like 4,12,000 professionals in the next 3 years. So here we have to argue that what is our target period. So they want to reskill them within 3 years. and they want to reskill around 4,12,000 professionals. So this is all about this Future Skills Prime program. So एक simple question भी आ सकता है कि Future Skills Prime program अभी start किया था initially. So ये किसके लिए था basically? Okay, simple question भी आ सकता है, and it could be a statement based also. So in simple question आता है, then your answer will be the for reskilling mission. Okay, for reskilling mission, it's a joint venture.
Thanks for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe.